Hello everyone, greetings from Team Atom 360. We present to you berrycare, a remote oral cancer screening app which we built with the vision of making low-cost healthcare accessible to everyone. Do you know that you can do oral cancer screening anytime from wherever you are? Well, yeah, we made it possible with berrycare. Let us show you how to smartly screen for oral cancer using your smartphone. It's just a download click away. We can install berrycare from Play Store. With an OTP-based authentic login process, we move ahead to start the two-step screening procedure. First, let the app know few of your habit-related history and comfortness in opening mouth. Then, start clicking images of mouth as per the instructions given in the app. Here, we are clicking few cancerous images from computer to show the real-time prediction of our robust AI. We also have smart algorithm to predict any sort of disturbances like blur and ask the user to re-click the image, hence standardizing image parameters. These images will go through assessment of our AI algorithm, which is trained on various types of precancerous and cancerous data. The predictions will be augmented with oral oncology experts' suggestion, and the same will be sent back to the app as report. In this report, as you can see, AI not only identified oral cancer lesion, it also marked its region. Well, now in this case, since there is something suspicious, we ask users to visit a doctor. Users can also screen for their family and friends. Now you're watching the predictions made by our algorithm in the backend. We thought it's cool to show you. To know more, please visit www.berry.care. Can't wait to get in touch. Thank you so much.